Hey guys, ever have trouble opening jars where the lids are on too tight? Ever try using these things? And try a grip on it. Get grip on it. It still doesn't come off. Well, there's a couple things people, and one of them is running this under hot water, because if you run it under hot water, you'll get the metal on the lid to expand and it'll break the seal. But usually what happens is the water doesn't get hot enough, and now you just got a wet lid and you're trying to get that open like that, and that doesn't work either. So here's the way to do it to solve all your problems right now. Take a butter knife. Make sure it's a butter knife, because you don't want a sharp knife. If you do a sharp knife and this slips, especially after you just ran this underwater, you're going to get hurt. So what you want to do is you want to find a way to get right here. See these little spots right here? These kind of keep the lid on. You want to get in between those and just put it down on the counter and kind of twist. And you'll hear the seal actually pop. If you get it in the right spot. See, I made this wet, so now I'm having trouble. Now don't leverage it too hard. You might break the glass. Did you hear that little right there? That little sound? That's all you gotta do. And now twist right off. Just like that. Yay, problem solved. Smash like for me. That helps me solve my problem, which is getting a lot of views and getting paid by YouTube. So take care. Have a good day.